Dexta Daps. Wife, kids, career, net worth and future uncovered. Yo, what's good? Welcome to the ultimate breakdown of Louis Grandison, aka Dexta Daps, Jamaica's dancehall king. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss our deep dives into your favorite artists. Today, we're uncovering Dexta Daps' personal life, career highlights, net worth, and what's next for the Shabba Madda Pot star. Born January 12, 1986, in Seaview Gardens, Kingston, Dexta Daps grew up in a tough neighborhood that shaped his raw, emotive sound. His music blends dancehall and reggae, with hits like Shabba Madda Pot, 23 million YouTube views, and Morning Love, making him a household name. Known for his sultry voice and bold performances, Dexta's dubbed dancehall's sex symbol, but there's more to him than steamy lyrics. Let's explore his world. Details about Dexta's personal life are private. There's no confirmed information about a wife or children as of 2025. He's kept his romantic life under wraps, focusing instead on his music and public persona. However, his love for family shines through in songs like Mek Mama Proud and Superhero, dedicated to his mother. In 2021, he gifted her a Porsche Macan for her birthday, captioning it with heartfelt words on Instagram, showing his family-first values. Dexta's career took off in 2012 with singles Save Me Jah and May You Be, but 2014's Morning Love and 2015's 7-Eleven and Jealous Ova with Tifa brought him fame. His 2017 debut album, Intro, paired with an erotic short film, racked up millions of views, cementing his bold image. He's performed at Reggae Sumfest, 2017, 2019, 2022, and collaborated with stars like M.I.A, Davido, and Beenie Man. Songs like No Underwear and Owner highlight his romantic and risqué side, while Grow Rough taps into a rugged vibe. His upcoming Uganda concert on December 14, 2024, at Lugogo Cricket Oval shows his global reach. Net worth estimates for Dexta Daps vary, but sources suggest $1 to $5 million, earned through music sales, streaming, 1.1 million monthly Spotify listeners, tours, and endorsements. His provocative stage shows, often involving female fans, boost his brand but spark controversy, like the 2021 Cayman Islands incident. Still, his charisma keeps fans hooked. Looking ahead, Dexta's set to drop trilogy, featuring new love songs, and continues touring, with Uganda next. His knack for blending heartfelt and gritty themes suggests more hits and bold performances. Will he expand his brand or surprise us with new ventures? Stay tuned. That's Dexta Daps' story. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite track? Subscribe for more.